All right, so this is for the final thing that we have to do here. I've been here for a while now. I have had this robot set up for quite a while. I've been writing different code, testing different things, and I have now run into an issue that means I cannot continue. So I'm going to explain that here, and just know that there's nothing else I can do at this point, because I don't know what's going on. So anyway, I have all this set up. I've removed some of the stuff from Lab 10 that I think was causing extra power draw. I added this black tube there, which I found in the lab. I have not been able to have access to any of that myself. It was this stuff. It's white on the inside, but that's all I have access to. Put that over there. So I added that just to see if that would help any. I've only just started doing some testing for the photoresistor to get that to respond to things. And I have a couple things for that in my code here. And just a minute ago, I had it over on that table going around in the circle, and it was doing okay, surprisingly. Was doing okay for a little bit, making it around the whole circle. Pretty slow, even though I have them at full power here. I also do have where I set them to 0 after they move. I've tried it with the default programs too for moving. It still is too slow. So I have tried it with that, and it was working okay. It was going around the circle, but quite slow. And then suddenly I went to go do a test, and now it barely moves. And I didn't change anything. The only thing I changed actually was the batteries to make sure that they weren't the problem. So I switched those out for other ones that I have, and it's still doing it. I've tried removing things in my code that I think might cause it. Nothing's fixed it. I've done some more testing. I cannot figure out how to get it back up to power where it was 10 minutes ago, or 10 minutes before it stopped working. So just to show you here, pick it up. Looks like it's sort of working okay. I have it set to speeds to turn around the circle. Sort of working until I put it down. I'll put it down over here. Barely moving. And then, yeah, it's still just having problems with the wheels falling off and everything else. So, yeah, hold on, let me unplug it. I don't know what's going on, and I can't seem to make it work anymore. So I don't know what to do. I can keep testing different kinds of code, but I'm kind of out of time. I have a bunch of other classes to work on as well. But I can keep trying this code. It's not going to fix anything because the robot's inconsistent and doesn't do the same thing all the time. But I'm just gonna include the code that I have for this part. The photoresistor didn't seem to be sensing anything with this iteration of my code, but it's not working. I don't know what else to do. I really don't. There's not much else I can do at this point.